So here is the package, and I basically got a book which is What's Your Dream? Find Your Passion, Love Your Work, Build a Richer Life by Simon Sikib? I still don't know how to pronounce his name. So, if I just keep quiet and listen to the background voices, the first thing that you will notice is our clock. I have no idea why it makes such a horrendous ticking sound that disturbs the universe. See what I mean? And I feel like I have OCD or autism or something, that ticking sound. And you probably can hear all the other background noises. I don't know what these windows do. All are closed, sealed tightly, the walls. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys one more thing. So basically, the upper limb, which consists of the hands, arms, this part, chest, something over there, something over here, something, that's completed. And right now I am in the, oops, look how fat this book is, thick. I am in the lower limb, which is astonishing, because did you know you have biceps in your thighs? Who would have guessed that? And which knucklehead named that? Oh, let's name a muscle called biceps, and we put it in the thighs. Yep.
When we were kids in the backyard, playing astronauts and rock stars, no one told us to stop it, called us unrealistic. Then suddenly you're 18, go to college for your plan B. What you want is too risky, live for weekends and whiskey. We all got these big ideas, one day they're replaced with fear. How did we get here? Darling, don't quit your daydream. It's your life that you're making. It ain't big enough if it doesn't scare the hell out of you. If it makes you nervous, it's probably worth it. Why save it for sleep when you could be living your daydream? 31 waiting tables, she has the voice of an angel, out of money and power. She only sings in the shower. All these things we say we'll get to are shot down by the reasons not to. Darling, don't quit your daydream. It's your life that you're making. It ain't big enough if it doesn't scare the hell out of you. If it makes you nervous, it's probably worth it. Why save it for sleep when you could be living your daydream? So scared of failure that we fail to try, turn it around for you. Darling, don't quit your daydream. It's your life that you're making. It ain't big enough if it doesn't scare the hell out of you.
So we're done with the football game. It was we were only 4 people, so it wasn't a match kind of a thing, but football is football. So we will now go to the house and drink water. Real thirsty. So, ladies and gents, we are at Californian Burrito and we are with my brother. How are you feeling? Feeling nice. Yeah? So, yeah, and we are having some healthy food. After a long time, me. We are done with the meal and it's raining outside. You can see the nice heavy rain. So we'll wait for the rain to stop and then head home, and I need to speak about a few things, and yeah, that's the end for the day. So, I hope the camera is in the center and my face is not too close to the camera. So, basically, I wanted to speak about a few things. And don't forget your, whatever those things are called. Earlier, a few days ago, I was playing football with I have to give credit to the 4th year students, and when I was playing with them, I scored 6 or 7 goals, something like that. I don't want to brag, but it happened. I scored 6 or 7 goals, and a few days before that, I was playing with students who are not 4th years, and I scored no goals, except after playing that game I felt bad. So what I'm trying to say is, those students, the 4th year ones, they were a little more calm in what they were doing, and the other students, they weren't calm. They were playing the game for the score. Okay, they kept asking, oh, we're 2, you're 1, or we're 4 and you're 3, or something like that. No, it was like that. And the other students, they were playing because they enjoy the game. So the first lesson is, don't play the game so that you can keep score of who's higher, who's lower. Play the game because it's your game, okay? You enjoy that game. You love it, you like it. And when you start doing that, it just becomes so much easier. You know, you like to go there, you like to play with them, you enjoy the whole thing. It's a great experience, and this is the first time I've realized that when people say, you know, don't follow your passion, don't follow your passion. I think it's more about enjoyment. It's passion, enjoyment, is the same thing? I don't know. But I think this is the first time I understood this thing. That if you are surrounded with the correct people, you know, anything you're doing, even if you're studying anatomy, it just becomes so much better. So yeah, surround yourself with people who lift you up, who have the same goal as you, okay, or they're as lost as you are, but they're not holding you down, okay? They're telling you to go explore new things, make new videos, and I think that's the most beautiful thing that you can experience. That team, that your colleagues, and yeah, that's the first thing. The second thing is there are three versions of myself. Let's talk about myself for a moment. Myself, not you, myself. The three versions of myself: dopamine Ammaar, serotonin Ammaar, and cortisol Ammaar. Now, dopamine Ammaar is lean in. He's thinking about the big plays, the big performance, the stage, the big business meetings, and the money that he's going to get, and all this stuff. That's dopamine Ammaar, high dopamine stuff. Then there is cortisol Ammaar. Now, cortisol Ammaar is seeing anxiety. Okay, he is overthinking about his business things, and he is looking out for this ambient vigilance, and he's on edge. He's like John Wick, just like that. Okay, try to understand like that. And then there is serotonin Ammaar. Now, serotonin Ammaar is taking micros of magic mushrooms. He is playing football with his friends. He is lying under a tree and looking at the sky. Okay, he is relaxed. And I want to be more in serotonin Ammaar. I want to be more serotonin. I should have more serotonin. No. Yeah, I want serotonin Ammaar to be more present in me, because that's what makes memories. That is what you remember years after years when you're old. These are the things that you will remember. Okay, you won't remember that stress for that exam. Actually, you will remember that, but you will regret it, that why you took so much stress about it. And yeah, try to get the more serotonin in you. And plus there are many benefits, many health benefits, digestion, etc. Working on a few things, plus you guys are, can you see me? Yeah, plus you guys are going to see a lot of content coming on YouTube, because I am working on a thing on YouTube. Plus, save your money. Do not buy those Tetra Pak. No, Tetra Pak is for juice. Do not buy those packet chips. Instead, invest your money in those banana chips. Now, yeah, at first even I never liked banana chips, but now that flavor is growing on me. Plus, it smells like olive oil or something like that. But yeah, it's pretty good. And yeah, more new things coming on YouTube, and I don't have to tell you, no, I'll show you. So be ready for that, and take care. Bye bye.